Over a period of time, Jasper has found that the time it takes him getting out of bed to walking in the school gates is normally distributed with a mean of 50 minutes and a standard deviation of 5 minutes. He is classified as late if he arrives after 8:30 a.m. What is the probability that Jasper is late if he gets up at 7:58 a.m.? So if x is the time it takes him to get to school, it's normally distributed with a mean of 50 and a variance of 5 squared. Now, we look at the distribution, so this is 50 with sigma equals 5. If he gets up at 7:58, this is 8:30, then he's got 32 minutes to get to school. So if it takes him greater than 32 minutes, he's late. So let's calculate that. So this one, we want the distribution, the normal CDF, because we know the value. So that's 32 potentially to infinity with sigma is 5 and the mean is 50, and that's 0.9998. So that's the probability of being late is 0.9998, correct to 4 decimal places. So it's pretty likely that he's going to be late if he gets up at 7:58. Over a period of time, Jasper always gets up at the same time and finds he is late 55% of the time. What time is he getting up? So if we look at our normal distribution here, then we know that this mean here is 50, and so we're after a value just here, so that this gives us 55%. In other words, the area is 0.55. So we're going to find this value, and since we have a probability and we're finding a value, that's the inverse norm. So we'll go for inverse, inv norm. Our tau setting is actually to the right, and 0.55 is the probability, with sigma being 5 and mu being 50. So that is 49.37. So if we start with the clock down here at the half past mark, which is the 8:30 when he has to be at school, he must be getting up 49.37 minutes before that. So that's nearly 50 minutes. So that would take him around here to the 22 mark. That would be 50, but he's just a little bit further on than that. So what's 0.37 times 60? So that's 22 seconds, should we say. So that's 49 minutes, 22 seconds. So going round this way, that's 49 minutes and 22 seconds. So this must be 38 seconds after 22, so he's actually getting up at 7:40 and 38 seconds.